everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are going to learn Flutter navigation and passing data between screen. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my upcoming Flutter tutorials. So let's start it. What is navigation in Flutter? So navigation allows user to move between different screens. In the app, here is first screen, move we are in the second screen. Essential for creating multi-screen app and enhancing user experience. For example, moving from a login screen to a dashboard screen. Type of navigation. So push based navigation and named route. So using push based navigation, use navigator.push method and navigator.pop method, suitable for simple stack based navigation. Okay, and name route we are using a navigator.pushNamed and allow predefined route in a centralized location. Okay, so the basic navigation example is the navigator.push using context and material page route, and in the builder we are using our screen name, second screen. Okay, push the second screen onto the navigation stack. Context is the current widget of build context. Okay, passing data between screen. So we are use a navigator.push context and material page route with builder, and hence second screen we are add a data to move to second screen. Here we are move hello Flutter, and how it's received this second screen, we are using final string data is equal to model route dot of context and setting dot arguments as a string. Here we are add a string, so as a string. Okay, named route example. So the material app we are route using first screen, second screen, and navigator using navigator.push named using a second like a string. Okay, and how to pop a screen. So we are using a navigator.pop. Remove the current screen from the stack and return to the previous one using pop. Okay, so let's see with example. So here is our home screen. Okay, and in the home screen we are using app bar and center one button. So navigate to the second screen. When we are press on this button, go to the second screen. We are using navigator.push context and material page route and move to second screen with argument of data hello from home. We are passing this string on the second screen. So here we are click on and hello from home. Here is our second screen. So second screen we are implement a string data. So here we are getting a data as we are send in the push. Okay, and then we are go back on press, we are using navigator.pop. Okay, go back to the previous screen. It's remove the stack in the last screen using navigator.pop. So we are click on go back using navigator.pop method. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.